Oh, here we are. Things are rolling in. And we're live. Let me just make this a live chat and I know for sure. Not that top chat. Do that legit. Okay. There's other stuff on this side as well. Really should gonna headphone to my phone really quick. Yeah, good thing I came on my setup screen. For the one person who just is viewing right now, this is the setup phase of the thing. 15 minutes, I would say. So yeah, I think gonna happen in a bit. If you got a water to grab, go grab that. Right, make sure this thing is connected. Okay. Alright. Let's see if this showed up on stream. Oh wait, actually, alright. Things are getting going. Ah! Alright, next time I'll give myself only 5 minutes of setup time. Obviously, basically everything is done, so you can see printer setup, slicer, and all that. All good, all's good. So what am I gonna do now? First thing first. Pretty sure that everyone love this scene. Everyone want to see the printer moving around. Yeah, so while we at that, let me just give it a little nudge here. Oh yeah, yeah, give it nudging it a bit so that it so that's something in motion, so that I'll keep people around. I'll keep this on top of everything else for now. And what I want to use this for today, even though we are going to be working mostly in FreeCAD, trying to fix what we identified yesterday for my prototype MissChanger V2. But before we do that though, I want to do this. I want to print this out, set it up as a multicolor, multi-material print that for things to get moving. So gonna do a final bit of preparation now, if I can. There we go. And first thing first, let's check. I should have checked. Feature type, yeah, that's the key thing here. Ooh, that's not good. That is not good. Oh, that is not good at all. Okay. That's annoying. How are we handling this? We can paint the entire bottom with POA. We can paint this entire bottom with POA. Remove all. Yeah, just paint that entire bottom with POA. Paint that with POA. And that with POA. And yeah. Oh, need to tell you what's exactly going on. So Prusa Slicer had a function that allow you to select the distance between the support and the printed part. That is a thing that propped up all this bridging interface here, especially on that bridge there. Yeah, that one there. And well, let's just say there is a little bit of a mingling with this. Is that is how what option you get. So if you select soluble, you will be able to use multi-material. That is to say, if you can only use multi-material if you use no, you can only do multi-material, i.e. printing the support out of the material, only if you have this as soluble. And the problem with that though is they will not treat the bottom layer, the overhang layer, as an overhang layer. So if I can bring it down to that bottom most layer there. So you can see all this support up top. Now purple is solid infill. It's not going, it's not bridging between the these legs here, and that is a major issue. If I just want to have just a little support to support the bridge, just a little strip of support in the middle to support the bridge, I can't do that because of that solid infill problem. So if I do that, for example, you can see yeah, that is what I want. However, now you see that there's no wipe tower because actually I don't know why they did it this way. Cruiser slicer, man. It's the best we got, but it's still not the best. So multi-material. So I am a little bit of a pickle here because how the hell am I gonna? Just hopping around really quick. Get rid of the slide out again. Because they just seriously don't give us select a tool option here. Yeah, they just flat out ignored. Just flat out ignored the multi-material selection if I were to put the support interface at 0.1, which is not good. I want the support to be, where gone? 4. Yes. What's that? Oh, no. 4. No. Yeah, you see, if you put out a 4, disable the support. But hey, wait, what's this? That's annoying. Yeah, so we adjust this to white purple. Yeah, sure, why no? That's annoying. Alright. Support material. That's it. I believe the only solution is to make it soluble. Add that. And make in the multi-material, make it 4. Don't save it because I infill 20, then it's fine. Skirt, no brim. Support soluble. Alright. Yeah, that's what we want. Maybe I move that a little closer. It's just to get rid of away from the bed. Oh, no, no. Uh, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, it's too close already. Uh-huh. So, annoyingly, wait. I want to check the shape of that support. Wiggle, wiggle. Maybe. Yeah. Actually, I can do this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it now in on the. Oh, wait, actually, there's a camera there. You can see it. I'll put in the point 0.6 nozzle for the support for the PO8 nozzle. So that blue bit here. I'm gonna put in the 0.8 nozzle, 0.6 nozzle, so that support gonna be a little tougher than what it is right now, which that way it's less likely to fail. So let's swap to the IP cam really quick. There we go. Now, gotta shake a bit. Don't worry. Oh wait, no. Put the Z up to what? 150? 200. Cool. And this is at the point where I realize where how oh, sorry, the expect the Y backward. Right. Wasteful. Something to have to deal with root V1, unfortunately. Let's see. There we go. So I put this thing in. This is 0.6 nozzle. What? Wait. Oh wait. Actually, they might actually pick me up from over here, so I can actually talk to you. Just talk to myself. I thought I was talking to myself the whole time. Okay. We just back in. You know, I think about it. What's in here? Yeah, it's supposed to be. Just give it a little trim of the edge, right? So make sure it's actually come in a bit. Oh, right, because there's I did the same thing with the nozzle just a minute ago. All right. All right, let's just put the camera there. And let's flush that old filament out because I make that 1.2 load. Yeah, let's load. I'm just gonna click load on my thingy now. If I can see it, no filament never. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, I'm heating it up. I'm gonna load up the new filament. See how that go. Yeah, because the camera is in the way, so I literally have to go back to my desk to see what's going on via the preview. Ah, no BS. Interesting setup, not gonna lie. Let's show you what the thing is doing. Oh, oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Well, you see things drizzling out. And from the look of it, it seemed like it was the same material that was there before. What's this? Okay. Ooh, Susie. Alright. Same material, so I don't need to flush too much out. If it's like a different material, like PETG or ABS, I need to flush several times to make sure all that previous material came out, which wasteful for one, but more importantly, but necessary because it ash would be bad if you like print have two different material in a nozzle and mix itself into the print. Even if it's support, it can make things fail. So with that, we can now turn back to this one really quick, because now what we are gonna do is that I'm gonna make the this nozzle 0.6, which is gonna force the thing to slice differently now. I'm gonna save that one because that's something I'm fine with saving. Slice that. Yeah, you can see that the line is a lot bigger now. And hopefully it's more durable that way. Yeah. We can only hope. I don't know for sure. So line the back. Yeah, I got the same thingy. Do we... Okay. Right, I know the bottom worked fine, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, the bottom not gonna look great, obviously, but it's better than nothing. It's... Huh. Why didn't do that? Okay, that's not good. I don't want that zigzag thingy to be that of BTG. So back to that. Make that 4 as well, I suppose. Slice it. There we go. See, now it's turned blue. I mean, that layer is now sure to be... Yeah. Yeah, now that layer is now sure to be... That layer belongs to the support, and that should be POA so that I can rip it out on its own. Cool. That's that. I think I can... 25? How long? Wait, how long? Wow. Should I check? One sec. Let's see how long that takes. 7 hours. Meh. So you guys not gonna see the end of it before the stream end. We'll show it off to, in the next stream. I'm not sure I'm gonna stream tomorrow or not, but Monday probably. 20 is fine. 20 is fine. That's 7 hour. Cannot reduce. No. Okay. Now one thing that needs to be checked is print volume. Okay, that's not good. No, this is not good because this is the start of the layer. And if it start itself on a overhang, and that overhang was scuffed, everything above that gonna fail. So I need to move all of that to the back. So layer and perimeter. Align rear. Can I put everything to the rear? Or align everything here? Yeah, let's align them. But hang down the seam here. And right. And for this one, let's paint it on here, like so. So everything line up at the back. Slice that. Yeah. Why is this one always start up here? That's odd. I don't want to start there. Go back. I don't want that to start there. Oop, it. I don't want nothing to start near these important bits. Oh, what am I doing? Can I not select the goddamn? Oh no, I cannot. Okay. What that look like? Yeah, so the slicing that's fine now with everything. Oh, why is this still okay? I need to do the bottom as well. No, it's still start there. Hello? That make no bloody sense. Move all selection. On that. Oh. Put on that. Put on that. Slice down. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm maybe reading into it as too much. How can it be? Align random nears rear. Let's do that. See how that goes. Yeah, that's good. Every move there. Still don't know why it's done. Stop right there. Oh, bug. Should be good. Alright, better than nothing. Alright. I think that is the last of it. Cool. Let's get it going. Let's automate stuff like that. Alright. Okay, already done that. That use super filament. Yep. Make sure that it is number 2, x to the 2, because that is PTG. No, so dun dun dun. Mm. Dun, dun, dun. Move this inward just a bit. Slice now again. The reason why I want to slice again because the bed was not correctly set up. Okay, export that. Paper. Replace that. Use wipe tower. Experimental. Proceed with caution. Oh yeah. No worries, for. No worry, no worry. One last check on the 2 use. Good. Good. Alright. Which, if all goes well, I should get a part this time tomorrow. One last replacement. And with that, we can now put into main cell. Upload and print. And hey, alright, now put that away, and that on. And I would reckon this window to be in the corner there. As I do this guy. Of course, let me move the camera to where it's easier to see. Oh, right? Yeah. Let's hope I don't kill myself with all the VOC that the PTG put out. Okay, now, so while it doing that, I will start working on my V2. Tap V2. Cool, cool. And that's that. All right. So, step 1, make a copy of it. Dun, dun, dun. I'm doing it on my not file manager right now. And save, put it there. Like that. And the reason why you want to do this, for this version now, it's just gonna stick there as a legacy thing. I don't want to touch that because just in case I mess something up, I can always revert back one day of work instead of losing everything like I used to at one point. So this is now like so. Wait, no, it's not doc. Hello, it's not the doc I'm looking for. Wrong file. It's now called design. Yeah. DC design. DC design. It shall be called from now on. Here. And that was what I did before. So let me just get rid of some of these. Older file. Copy paste that. Make that point wrong. Put that on. Oh, there we are. Yep, I make it I give it a different name. DC design instead of what it was before. because now I have adding more stuff to this than expected. So the back. So first thing first, let me just give a note here. Oh, it's starting. Okay. Time to feel the pain. For the whole 40 10 mil dog ball. That's for a bit later. Locking pin interface. Locking pin interface. Oh yeah, that interference, that's the word. No space for outer. No spacer for the outer pillar. I remove trap from the dog bottom, which is this thing here. And go. Yes. It's gonna hurt. I do is calculation. Get rid of that because I need to do all this again. I'm amazed that none of that printing noise actually got picked up by the mic. I hate Anchor as the next person, as everyone else, but yeah, the webcam that I'm using to record the sound here is flawless. Oh, let me check this really quick. 80, yeah. Room temp is 31. Not great, but okay. Alright, I can go. Alright. So instead of a draft, which caused the these layer to shift inward slightly and interfere with stuff, I can just grab that. What's it? Good. Done. Like that and wow, my God. Wrong one. I don't need this. I don't need those. All I need are these. Yeah. So start from there, roll up, along that line, and go back down. Up, down. Oh, not middle. Oh, okay, we deal with that. No, we don't need that. We just need it to collide. Beautiful. That is equal, and that's good enough. And now the determined pattern here is this angle, which I shall put over here because that would be very annoying to 60. Hopefully that worked. Close. Okay, so where did it go? Yeah, so it's cut. Ooh, why is that cut this deep cut? Oh, look like ass. I mean, it's not harmful. It's annoying. Do we need that to go? We don't want it to do that. Alright, so instead of interfering, yeah, you see. Oh, hello, what's this? Did you wanna? What happened there? There you go. I can zoom in. Never. Okay, never mind. That was okay. But I want this to meet that angle there. Uh-huh. So instead of doing that, I want you to interface with that. Would that change anything? Close. No, it's not. Okay, I take that back. Oh my god, yeah, everything was broken. I don't want to get rid of that. Alright, make that vertical. And this is really now it on 2? Yeah, half a nozzle width. That's a 45-degree angle, right? Yeah. No, that's let me 0.1. Make it 0.1. That one can go. I don't want. Oh wait, no, actually, I don't need to do that. At that point and that point to be horizontal. Huh? That one and that one to be horizontal. There we go. Yeah. There we go. And so that should get rid of that ugly scar that you put on. Yeah, it got rid of that ugly scar on the on second top. No, because I'm planning to shampoo that edge as well. But so wood. Oh my god, come up. So now this might be a problem because never mind. Select. I seriously did not select that. Yeah, that would broke things. But I didn't select it before, and honestly, I don't intend to start it now. Yeah, I'm not start selected now. No, even though because it worked good. Would that work? Yeah, I like that actually. Let's do that. Both sides. Don't like the sharp edge. Okay. Whoa. What the printer's doing? Let me check back to the printer really quick. It is probing, right? Yes, it is. That's gonna be a hot minute. Anyway, back to fixing my problem. These guys. Oh, and I definitely do need to remind myself this every so often. Make sure if you're viewing and you like wow, what the hell. If you like what I'm doing, make sure to like and subscribe. It'll help out the channel, I believe. I hope. Assuming that YouTube doesn't demonetize it again. And also give me a shout out if what you may or may not like about the stream, just in case. You know, like for example, the Overwatch music playing in the background could be a problem to some. How many two head can be on a 2.4 300 millimeter? 4. Maximum 4. I'm not sure about V2, but for V1 is 4. If you want a cleaner dock with it, so that is the thing in the center of the webcam view there, the white thing in the bottom center. That's a cleaner dock that will take place of a 2 head if you add that. we'll be trying to get rid of it in the next design, but cannot promise just yet. All right, so that's the top bottom. Save that. Save that. Okay. Now fix things. Uh-huh. Yeah. Let's just go through the motion just to make sure that everything is up to snuff before I move. Yeah, that's the mirror. What's this one? Wait, what's this one? Yeah, this one seems broken. What is it? Oh yeah, it's broke. Totally broken. Okay, turn on, turn that on. Oh, not that one, that one. No, that one either. That one. The hell am I doing? Not that one. Oh, that thing. There we go. Yeah, because all the reference point are broken. So I need to get rid of all this. Just another day for the oh man, why does it look like ass? Look. I don't know why I look. Oh wait, no, I do. Viewing style, draw style, as is. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now I can see features. So we want that edge. That edge. And that point. Okay. To save myself some pain in the future, I will just only do that much. That one go there, line. One go there, go line. Like that, and instead of I make a point, a reference a point here, I'm just gonna make this two equal to each other. Yeah, like that. So I only need to reference one box. Oh, no, so I have one less reference to break in the future. All right. And then extrude to. I'll just turn back that and back on. Right. Make sure that the binding face is correct. Cool. Yeah, it is correct. Just paranoid me. Good old me. Alright, next one, next feature. Yep, that one is broken too. Need to get rid of all these lines. Cool. And what the hell? I heard something. Oh yeah, stop printing now. Okay. Oh hey, I'm from Cyborg, Brazil. Did you talk to us about this project? I asked you to talk to us. Yeah, I'll contact you guys. Yeah. Actually, I should. I think it's a Cyborg, and this the machine that you were looking at right now is a Cyborg machine, right? Cyborg 2.4. It's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. No, the reason why I haven't reached out to literally any brand on anything because it's still in inception right now. So things are still being designed. I may or may not take things in and out, and I want to keep myself flexible in terms of timing in case well, no, in case I found something I broke and I need to fix them later. So yeah, but yes, I will may have to do a round of reaching out to people to see who's willing to help me with this later. Need to check my print. We're back. Not gonna read anything. first layer zip. Hey. Thanks, man. Uh, Alright, what do I have to? Yes, turn this off. Oh my god, why does it keep doing that? Okay, I know why it keep doing this, but it's annoying nonetheless. Alright, so I want to grab that, and... No, I only want to grab that, actually. Yeah, let's do that again. So... Yeah, I don't need that. What? Because... I can grab this edge here. And... that edge. I said I can grab that edge. God damn it. I can grab that edge, yeah. Or maybe these two. Yeah, let's go grab these two. Look better and easy to see. Okay. Oh, that one's backward. The line. The line. The line. Oh my, what's that? Why are you 6? Some of you that one doesn't need to be straight. This one go like that. Well, what's this? Don't need that. And just like the other one, I can make this thing equal. That one and that one equal. That way I only need to reference one item rather than multiple. Okay, what's this? Close. Alright. What? What's this? Huh? Okay, one sec. Is that one right? Yeah, that one. Okay, so I want it up to... The face was not correctly selected, I believe. Like so. What's this now? Pocket. Ah. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, it's gonna be a challenge. Get it all like that. Oh, this is not so good. There gotta be a way for me to push this view. Okay. How am I doing this now? Just clearly, it's not having fun. This drawing. Okay, we're getting rid of everything. Okay, so that it broken. I'll share your channel with Cyborg China. Oh, okay, thank you. Just so you know, I'm not locked into any well, any potential, like, what's called provider for the machine just yet. Like I said, I want to see who's available for one, but more importantly, I want to improve my ability to what's called give feedback as well. And the only way to do that is have multiple sources. So I already have a 2.4 that I from Cyborg that I like. So I'm not too sure that I want to have another Cyborg machine. Maybe maybe a LDO, maybe a Bisec, I don't know. But multiple machine for multiple short will give me a better perspective of who's do well in what. And what's going on? Okay, there we go. Right, grab that. Like that. Alright, small bug, but I think I'm gonna count this as a I'm going to count this at a what it called as a free cat bug now, because I don't want to press V1 every time I go to a sketch. It's very annoying. I forgot to cancel. It's got. I need to remember, make sure that, yeah, like a 6. Okay. Okay. Yeah, don't want to have to hop in to a Alright, let's do that. Maybe not. Parallel? Yeah, let's go to parallel. Wash that. And that. To fix that one. The pocket is done. What's this one? Oh, that one. Okay. That one maybe. Don't worry about. Oh god. Coughing my eyes out. 2 bill. Why only one selected? Select that and that. So all of that can be 2 mil. Yep. Shampoo. Yep, you know what you're up to. Just double checking. Yeah, that's good. So that's this stand front. So that's good. Yeah, my printer doing fine. No, mono. Yeah, mono, just the combination of the one on top, so that's good. So mono is mono. Now we do it. Oh, this is the start of it all, right? No, this is the base. This is the base. Oof. Speaking gibberish already, huh? Okay. What was I? Alright, so that's one thing done. That is removal of the bottom, dock bottom. Now remove the trap from the dock bottom and fix everything that proceed. My little challenge now is to oh, actually, let's do something else really quick. Remove this thing because I don't need a spacer for the spacer for the side of the thingy. All right, so put the other 2 back on really quick. Yeah. Okay. So originally the idea is that I have a bolt coming in there, the M3/6 bolt going through these 2 holes, and that will serve as the ledge for the 2 head to just rest on when the whole dock to rest on when the 2 heads on it. However, that was quickly I quickly lost that from from the testing I did yesterday, if there is something that just protrude out that those two here, it just going to interfere when the thing bend downward, which is not great. I either have to cut out a bit of this piece here for that. I either have to do that or came up with something else. Not too sure actually. Because if I cut that something in here, yes, I'll clear that bolt. That bolt will go in there. But I still having trouble clearing the bolt that go there. Hmm. 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 You know what? I need to grab some water 1 second. Let me do this really quick. Yeah. Paste. Right. Affect that? Oh, okay, we're good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, we keep it like that. Put that on top. Fine. Yeah, I'll be right back. Watch the print jet. If it start making spaghetti, you stop it. Yes, I copied that entirely from Taylor from what? The Canuck Creator. And it doesn't look good right now because the bottom leg got a little ding on it. So once again, if it's go wrong, you stop the thing. Oh wait, no, should mute the mic before I ran off. 1 sec. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything, right? And boy, is it did the screen just flash? It's not flashing on my end. Oh, no, I take it back. It did flash a bit. Oh, let's hope it's not. Let's hope that's not a stable for the day. Oh god damn it! It's flashing. All right. All right. Back to the main screen now. Where was I? Cool. Alright, so where was I thinking with this? Oh, how we do that? How we do this? How we doing this? Oh, first thing first. First thing first. Oh, we had it. Because this one. Oh, no, not that one. And so, it's this one here. Yeah, because I don't want this to be this should be this should be 0.6. Because 6 good. Don't want to be too big. This one is dimension. Its reference is 0.1. Why the hell did I put it 0.1 before? Hello? Ah. Shit. I have to fix the original design now. No, because that whole put 0.1 is the reason why it was so difficult to put it into the shaft yesterday. I would say 0.3 would have been a better option. Yeah, I have to make it 0.3 for this guy, for sure. But now I have to make a note to board that hole into a bigger one for the original design as well. So, make the hole. I'm writing it down on paper right now, so give me a moment. This is a very analog channel. Make a hole on the far end 10.3 millimeter. We'll test whether that 3 millimeter is actually 0.3 millimeter is good enough or not when tomorrow. Out for me it's tomorrow, for you guys might be Monday, when I print it out and actually shove it through a pipe tube. But yeah, that's that. There is a slight chance that 0.1 would have worked if I had a perfectly calibrated nozzle with very less over extrusion, but I'm not betting on that. So I need to find a better number for that. Anyway. Back to thinking main mode. Because right now it's still pondering how you guys best go about this. I think we should start not with that, but with this. Not that, this. Because a pin coming up there might be a dead in the water, as in I don't think I can do that. Right? Right? Unless we can find a way to attach the pin on this side. Coming down. Yeah. So yeah. So that pin there may not work because that one will interfere with that one. For one. For two. that should go all the way over to the edge, not there, because that being there is not very helpful, right? So first remove that, and I want 2 point of contact for the dog to be held in place. Are we really won't be able to afford that? Come on, think about this. No, it's fine. The bolt of the load that of the bolt of the load that is acting on this dog is actually shared between these both 4 of these pins. So there's 2 on each side. And that latch there is only there to make sure that thing doesn't go move anywhere. So I reckon I can remove that hole there and only keep that one and account only for that one, and I should still be okay. Right? So with that in mind, how do we account for that? Let's account for that. Holy sh! I think I'm just coughing because of the output of it. I think my print plate is just a little bit. I think my print plate is a little bit dirty because you can see there's a little bit of something. No, so a bit of a first layer is not sticking too well for both the support POA and the PETG. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but that's that. Oh well. I'm just gonna move back to the main screen. Okay. Okay. Let's start fixing stuff now. Yeah. So like that. Goes away. We shouldn't do that, but okay. That away as well. Put that on. So we got that thing, which is fine. Then that thing. Do it. Why are you over there? I don't know. Oh right, I remember now. The reason why you were problematic. You have always been a problematic thing. Oh wait, no, actually, let's make sure, because that thing is built on top of this tandem plane here, which connected to something. The hell is you connected to? Oh, pocket A. So it's connected to the one on top. All right, so it got refreshed and it didn't go too well. I don't know. Which is good to know. But let's stay back from back here. Now this was bugged yesterday, so I have to make a solid. I have to set a what is it? Ring. So I have to set a distance for it. But now that I assume that I have to start the software, should go able to do that. Yeah. So now there's a match hole between that hole. We would make it good. Do you think that Rapito hard end can work? Consider that you considering that what you inform about Dragon. Yeah, no, actually, that's a good point to make. It worked. Wait, what is Rapito? One sec. Rapito hot end. Rapito. One sec. Let's turn on the browser window. Rapito. Hot end. Yeah, no, it worked fine. It worked actually. It will work better than the Dragon actually. the dragon had a very large heat block, and what that means is that that heating block get too close to the plastic bit or around the two head for the steel burner at least, and that doesn't do too hot, pun intended. But for the rabido, you can tell from the picture here, it still has a large heating block, but it's very tall instead of fat. So that would actually work better than a standard dragon for this thing. Uh-huh. Right, so that's that. And in case of anyone else wondering, oh right, actually now that's still got a like. Oh, I know there's two people. I'm sure you already liked it if you watching. Anyway, the reason why I choose the Pacific two head that I'm supporting, the Stealth Burner for V1 and the A4T for V2, is because of nozzle support and hot end support. I mean, and that's because these two are very have a very broad hot end support. So the moment by supporting the Pacific two head, it automatically got myself rolled into more hot end support all the time. So for the stealth burner hot end. Oh my god, my throat is killing me. Hot end stealth burner. GitHub. Yep, for the stealth burner. Manual. Not manual. Where did they list the supported hardware? Okay, let's go for manual. Firmware images. Help me here. Come on. Stealth burner. High contrast. No. I swear to God. Okay. Something is off. Huh? Alright, oh, okay. Which hot end are you using? Sorry, I missed the whole model you said. Oh, I'm using the E3D Revo. Specifically because I can swap out the nozzle quickly. Which I done earlier in this stream. Where if you that two head being printing right now is a POA two head, and specifically for support, and I don't want to take it too much time for that one to do anything, so because all that material gonna get wasted anyway. So I swapped a 0.6 nozzle in that one earlier on the stream to make things go a little faster out there, and to make the support a little stronger. Did you see the launch of the V3? Look much better. Actually, I don't. I haven't seen anything. Hey, nice. I'm not sure about the E2D V6 though, because the E2D V6 can be no. Well, I was talking to Cyborg Brazil there. The biggest problem that I've seen with some legacy hot end is that the heat block is too fat on the X and Y direction. What I'm trying to say, and what that do, although it's gonna work fine. What I saw at least from 4v1 is the dragon slowly melt away the dock because the heat block is just too close to the plastic, and slowly the radiated heat slowly melt the dock away. So I have to start gluing the thing back together with the dock. Never went. I need to let me just I'm not doing this. Not today. Still has shooter, still burner. I seriously need to find the support. Oh yeah. Oh, DZ V6 yeah. Oh yeah, I heard a lot from the was it two changer Discord that apparently the bamboo clone are good in terms of heating up, but it's really bad at keeping it. So they have some problem with temperature just bouncing over the place as it print. So yeah, that is a drawback, I suppose. Honestly, I am keen to try, but maybe not on. Let me just check this really quick. Because I can't find the supported two-head hot end list for the stealth burner. Let me find the A4T. A4T. Oh, not that. 4T. GitHub. A4T GitHub. Yeah, let's go to the A4T GitHub. And yeah, I think the A4T had bamboo support. Yeah, right. Bamboo 2-hit support. I swear I saw it. Dragon, alternative, dragon, not a dragon. Rapido, that's good. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. These two. Yeah, I'm keen to try it because in theory, yeah, faster heat up time is very useful, and you'll see in a minute when when they make the next two change where the thing gonna have to the Revo have to take some time to heat up before it's ready to be picked up, which gonna make things really slow. But the bamboo one maybe a good replacement. Haven't thought of that too much hard, to be honest. We'll think about it. I still have until August to figure it out, so yeah, that's that. Anyway, tangent aside, let's get back to work. Oh. And I totally forgot what I was meant to be working on. Okay, there we go. Put a hole through there, put a hole for headset insert, put a hole for the what it called? Bolt. For the reset bolt. Yeah, all seems good there. Make a hole. This one hole is for something. Alright, yeah, it's for the pin of the. Oh, right. Let me just check this. The face looks fine. And so. And one, yeah, that hole just wonky now because it decided to put itself there. I don't know why it put itself there. Oh, I get it now. Because of that hole there is the change on the original design. So I need to grab that, make that horizontal, and there we go. 2.9, that one was that number worked fine, very well in fact yesterday, so I'm just gonna keep that. If anything, I may have just chamfered this whole, well, where's that one? One sec. Why are you tilting that way? Hello? I believe something off is gone wrong now. Let me turn on. Oh yeah. No. It need to tilt downward, not upward. So I did something was definitely is wrong right now. Alright, wrong on that one. Okay. Oh yeah, because that line is not where it's supposed to be. Oh great. Now oh, it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, that's that line there. That is that one there. Maybe. Okay. I need to think of a better way to do this. Yeah, this is one of the hidden thing that broken, and you wouldn't notice until just now. Things start breaking through on the path. Right there. So I make that one and that one symmetrical. No, vertical. Like that. So yeah, the idea what I'm doing right now is that I'm trying to avoid referencing these purple line as much as possible, because they are the thing that tend to break when you are updating something upstream of this game. This should be on that line though, so that is not avoidable. But for some reason I cannot move it up. Why is that? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Alright, so that and that, it should be collide. But what I would do, I'll get rid of that, and I make this a dimension. Yeah, because I know for a fact that this number not going to change. This that's basically, this number represent the space that we have between the tool head and the door. And 4 mil is all we got. Actually 5, but I'll keep it at 4 just to give myself a millimeter of space. But yeah, that's that. Double check that everything is where they should be. Yeah, and fully defined as well. That's good. So that hole now is correctly placed. Now that one, yeah, that one does not like what does not like things. The hole is correctly placed. This face is not where it's supposed to be. Let me just click on that really quick. Why you? Oh right, yeah, because this line is wrongly referenced. So grab it right there. Oh, that one is fine. Oh yeah, because that one is belong to the object being worked on. The line, like that, and that dimensionally 13 mil, like so. Oh, for the 3 of you who are in the, oh no, never mind. I feel we're asking people to like and subscribe. Still do. So yeah, just so you know. Yeah, and now, where is that now? Okay, now I'm gonna do a draft, which is also working. So I'm just gonna mirror all of that. There we are. It's back to where we are. So before we move on and fix the other stuff, we need to add feature to this. And specifically, get rid of this really quick. For the locking pin. Part of me want to make a cutout. No, let me just pull that one in up so that everyone can see what I'm thinking about. Maybe I can cut a what, 3mm groove into this so that this whole thing can rest on it instead of having a metal pin coming through. That is a possibility. It sort of work, I believe. And that will clear that one. Yeah. But how thick of material are we having? I think it's 8 mil, right? How thick is this one? So that. So take that down to 3. Then 7 mil, and 3 mil in. Then we got 4 mil left to hold the thing. Wait, no. No. Because ultimately this will be in compression. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So we may want to keep that hole. Well, no, we want to keep that hole, but move it over to this end. Oh, Vinny, is it possible you do a video showing how to calibrate the nozzle to have good walls? Good walls? Oh, like the outer walls. It download print speeds, to be honest, that one. I make my outer wall, actually I showed you. And the bruiser slicer here. Let's see here. So if I go to speed, I make my external perimeter run pretty slow. Very slow actually. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. So see, it's top out 100 millimeter per second, and I at only at 1500 millimeter per second square for the acceleration, and I make it basically make it slow at the out run slow on the outermost edge so that they do it correctly, and that's just all I did. Everything else is had to do with filament tuning. Other than that. All right. Wait. Let me back to thinking that really quick. So if we make a 3 millimeter gap there for thing to rest on, so we no longer need this thing to be that large no more, right? This thing right now is cancel, close. Oh no, we're still in the. This thing right now is 41.5. Oh, that I do have a video on that actually. Well, no, it's a boring one because the routine is annoying, but I can show you really quickly. Yeah, self-advertisement. Nice, nice. Well, where you work best? Work like a champ. One sec. One sec. Where is it? Bam, 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 bam. Content. Also calibration. Also calibration. Also calibration. Calibration routine. There we go. There we go. Hold that. On that. Grab that. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. How do I now put it on to the live chat? There we go. There we go. There we go. That is the calibration routine. And it's actually pretty straightforward. So let me just turn to the browser now. Everything is automated. Is what I'm trying to get at with this. Everything is automated. So literally I just press a button. Oh no. I let it load. I just put the probe in place, and then I press a button, and the calibration routine take care of it, all of it on its own. Yes, and as you can tell, it's like a 10-minute video, so I didn't talk at all at that one, so probably a lot of people miss it out on that. But yeah, and just for full transparency, the calibration routine was not done by me. It was done by Beatrice from the tap changer system. And yep. So I'm not gonna play through all of this. I think, yeah, I got a little section there. Yeah, a couple minutes. Let me just let it go through a bit, maybe for the first 2 head or so, and then we can turn it off. Also, I need to turn the ambient off. Disgusting. Yeah. Trying to fill it with my voice here, and also will lightly touch the probe from multiple direction to extrapolate the probe location. Yep. Yeah. Final tap there for the C. That's it. Oh, all right. Can I start speed this up? Yeah, let's speed this up. Okay, two times C. Oh my god, why are you taking forever? Alright. Alright, so yeah, now that is the Z offset that is calibrating. And now let's just do that all that, and this is the part where I think the whole two head to two head offset thing is done. Well, I don't think that. I know that. Oh, right. That's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, no, I think everyone kind of get it now with that shot. So, yep, I'll just leave it at that. Move on. Let's go back. I would assume that a probe like that is required for to change your index value. Yes, that is absolutely true. It's well, the one that in show that shown in the video was a product of mine for was MissChanger V1, specifically for the 2.4 though, because for Trident and for something that it does not have like a solid mount for the probe to sit on, so that you have to use this one, which is the nudge probe. Nudge probe, GitHub. Yeah. Yeah. I think this one. Oh god, everyone had a god damn it. Alright, alright. I'll need to start it on my other monitor here really quick. Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah, because I think everyone have a oh, there we go. And make a what is it, a port of it just in case. So if you yeah. If on a Trident or a 2.4 where you don't want to make the want to create the solid mount for it, you have to use this thing here. This is a notch probe, and the difference between this one and the one that I just shown in my video is that this one is extremely sensitive, and it's too sensitive in fact for you to so many to actually be able to do the absolute Z probe. That is to say the Z offset for the original for T0. If you do it with this one, you may not actually get it working. No, it's actually may push itself out of alignment and fail. Yeah, I said that, but I have some function in MissChanger that would allow you to do that separately, so not too much of a loss there, just so you know. Anyway, that's that for that. I need to go back to my calculation here really quick, so let me just be quiet for a second. Well, be quiet as in I'm not gonna read any chat for a second because I need to do this calculation on the pen and paper. So, for the so yeah, no worries. Okay, get rid of those. That one. That one. It's 38 millimeter. 41.5. If I took if I cut 3 mil out of this right there for the doctor rest on, then the distance between the two inner pillar should be 38 plus 3, right? No, 38. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. No, this only need to be 38 mil different because I no longer need the extra space to put the bolt in here. Right, okay. So, that in other word, I need to grab that one, make that 38, and watch things breaking. Great. Yep. Welcome to Free Cat Land, everyone. Everything broke again. Oh no. Oh. I'm not salty, don't worry. Totally not salty. Well, to be fair, the only thing that break is it's not this thing. It's not the dock base. The dock base seems to be solid. Yeah, so I built that right. It's this thing here that broke because now the sketch is move on from where it's supposed to be. Oh, 3 seconds. Check this. That one's still working. Oh yeah, all the reference point just move on from where it was. Uh, oh yeah. While we're here, might as well do some finagling and all of this. All right, let's get rid of this. Yeah, because some of it is broken partly because of the base dock base change in size, and others because I'm going to fix something in here really quick. One sec. Other because I just changed the clamp as well. Oh yeah, multiple things work against this. So not really free cat fault. Just trying to traumatize it for the build. And also I don't need this. Alright. That, remove that. That as well. Make things easy. Alright, so we grab. Oh shit. Shoot. Come on. Ah! Free cat! Walk with me here. You. Oh wait, no. Yeah, found it. Yeah, no, that's the problem. Because all right, that was move that away. That turned that off. I mean, but I don't mistaken it. So it's not a free card problem. That one. It's not a bug. Not a bug. Don't be trigger happy with that word. That one. Like that. Why it's not colliding? Collide. Pause. Oh, and yet because it had the same diameter there, so that's good. Now here on the thing that broke, just a bit of go. There we go. Collide there. Wait, why? Oh right, yeah, no. So this hole should stay the way it is, although it's really tight and you have to hammer things in. Because it's hold on to the pin very well yesterday, so I want to keep that as is. I cannot remember for the life of me why I this. Oh right, there we go. Collide there. Yeah, that is the shape of the pin that's gonna poke out. Not just the size of the pin that's gonna poke out to the outer pillar. And that actually set me up nicely. Hello, nicely. Oh, and also, yeah, this need to be 4 is fine. 68, 50, 68.5, 69 is fine. Yeah, let's keep it 69 because it looks cute. Alright, so that's that. Why are you still not fully defined? Something is not fully defined. One sec. Oh, right, this one. Crap. That line. Why did it not? Why did that one? Right, that's the one thing. Like that. Oh! Oh, okay, never mind. I gotta take it back. So 66. So I say 61. 66.5. Just keeping this thing. These just keeping these two close, and oh, that's must always be higher than that one. Maybe 67 actually, because I don't. That angle doesn't look too nice. So yeah, make it big, a little bigger. I just need to be. And that. Oh wait. Alright. Oh my god. Sometimes I question my decision to have so many references. Alright, I take that back. It's 69 it is. Yeah, the true number. Honestly, just gonna keep that on 69 from now on. This one is a pad that reference itself up on that, like so, and it's wow. Interesting. Can we what did you reference? Oh, that one's fine. Which one is this? That one. Yeah, that's on time too. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of everything. Alright, so we want to let for this. So obviously, that is a police car outside. Hopefully no one died. Grab those two. Oh, interesting. Yeah, interesting. This thing is not meeting her there. Wait, why is that? Oh, right, because I gave myself a millimeter here. So that's why that one is about millimeter, no, 0.5 millimeter, I think. Because, yeah, that one will hug the wall. That one will not. That one will be a millimeter off. So now we need to go down, round, up, like that. Of course, I don't want that line. That one reference the item between the previous item, which is not good. I want that one. Okay, so and that one. All right, so that's that. That is the upmost position. So goes that one go down over there and round, create a little notch so that it catches itself. Cool. So well, so we need this no matter what. Wait, how much is this dimension wise? Oh yeah. So I will need that, but with a 3 millimeter instead of a 2. This one is 3. 2.9, that one was, which is not what I'm looking for. Okay, so got that, like so. Let's go straight down. We'll deal with the actual thing later. Go press N here, grab multiple times to make sure that, oop, come on. Okay, no. I'm thinking, one sec. Maybe I just end it there and make it around. Yeah. Actually, I don't really need to do any of this fine detail thing. First of all, if I do the fine detail there, it's going to be annoying if it's break again. Second of all, that's going to be merged into the existing sketch anyway. And for some reason, it's not working. Unsolvable. All right, something around here. Oh my lord! So you were trying to do something. Oh god! Yeah, as you can see, if I were to do fine design detail here, it go on the break stop. So let's not create too many curves. Make that vertical. Yeah, vertical. Horizontal. Yeah, and now I can also get rid of. Oh my. Get rid of that. No, I cannot get rid of that. But I will also need this line. Let's collide with that. Let's collide with that. Okay, let's put a line there. And that one out to be tension to that. So I'll press T. Endpoint to edge tension was applied. Point on object constraint was deleted. Alright, so some other constraint was deleted because that one they were redundant. Okay, good to know. All right, now back with this guy. I'm gonna grab give myself a little curve there. And I will also grab myself another little curve here. Do I need a little curve here? I don't need a little curve here. I'm just gonna do that, grab that. Oh, press M multiple times to get a mold I like. Now create that notch. Alright, so alright, so first of all, let's drag this out over here. Let that collide. Oh, no, not collide. Tangent. At that point, collide. That point, collide. Yeah, it's not that look too sharp. That might be too sharp. Yeah, so let's put a line there. Okay, that one and that one, you can collide. That one goes through the center so that so it's always collide. I lost my train of thought there, so I'm not sure what I was saying. That one is 0.4. Like so. That one. How do I want to look? I want to look. Okay, so construction line here. Just make it equally spaced. It's not a requirement of any source, but I want to do that, and also I need to get rid of that. What is it doing on that? Yeah, it's doing well. So that these two equal to each other. Equal. Does that look good? Or may look that look good? I don't know. Fine. So the diameter of this surface is 3.1, just so that we have some room for the bolt to cut into in case we need it. All right, so those. All right, our system is not fully defined, so let's go and define that. Okay, let's make that dimension 2. Poke out by 2 mil. Sound about right? Maybe 3, maybe 2 first. Yeah, that thing poked out by 2 millimeter so that it can actually catch on to the pin. 3 millimeter will make it go around this pin, which create a very short angle for the thing for the two end to turn. So I don't want to do that. Yeah, that's the rationale there. And this mess looks like it's a mess, but I wouldn't be too concerned, I suppose. Oh, yeah, this is going to be this dimension need to be first. Well, I'll make this 3. That's close to what I just saw there. Oh my! Oh well, this point had not been defined. I can't remember if I said it to outright. Yeah, I said it to clean the nozzle on the PDG nozzle there. That's gonna be interesting to see because I'm worrying that scrubbing routine gonna push the two head out of line. So this is gonna be a good test for that. Anyway, that should work. Yeah, it looks scuffed, but that is intended. Because we can then chamfer, we can then, what's it called? Not chamfer. Make a fill up there on that edge to clean it up later. But for now, what I want to do before we move on to the next one is grab that plane really quick. Do we want that plane? Yep, let's do that. I can do it from the front coming in, but actually, let me try that. Yeah, no, there's no but here because that the what XY plane is cut through the piece like that. So trying to make a tantrum plane based on the based on the XY would be redundant. So let me just grab that one and deal with that. Oh my, cancel. Yep, yes, alright, that again. Alright, let's try that. And the only thing that matters here is that surface. Because I can grab it through here like that. And why are you messing over there? Alright, I don't know why it showed up there, but I sketch out, so. Oop, not that. That and that, and call it down. And now I'm just gonna lock this one in. There's literally not much to think about, so I'll just lock that one in and everything else lock themselves in as well. Alright. We'll cut that. Oh, why are you? Hello? What's going on? Too many open non-extrusion notification. I have no clue what any of that means. Not that, cancel. Alright, drop that again. Cut that. Reverse. There we go. Why would that create a problem? I shall make it 3.3. 3.3. No, 3.5. Let me make it 3.5. So that this part here can be exactly 4. Oh, no, not that. Wrong bit. 3.5. 3.5. Yep. So that, yeah, ignore the error, guys, because there is some dependencies problem later on. Oh, it's 4.1. All right, 3.4. Reset. Yeah. I want to make this bit actually match up with the layer height, so that it doesn't have, so the slicer does not have to go and guess what, don't have to create some weird layer that had a different height. I said that, but I keep, where the heck's it gone? Oh, come on. Get rid of that. Why is this one broken? Oh, not you. All right, that one. Close that. We'll deal with that later. Yeah, that's the outer one. We'll deal with that later. Now 3.4. So that we had. Yeah, so that this here is. I'll turn this off. Come on. Work with me here. Alright. That one. 4.2. Right, that's good. That is good. So, may want to claw that back. Do a second start. Not so far at least. So let's start fabric. Save that first. And now we shampoo that. Oh, no, no, no. Shampooing. Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, oh, nope. Okay. Select that. Select that. What else do you want to shampoo? Oh, damn. Do I? No, no, I don't. We want to shampoo this entire face. You do? Would that work with this mesh at the bottom? Yes, yes, it does. Alright, that's fine then. You want to shampoo that? Not this time. Not now. Not yet. Not yet. Because I want to shampoo that edge on its own. And also we doing no, actually, yeah, so we need we grab that oh. Ah, du Ken and Ken, I have do. Okay, I'm just gonna call you two. Welcome back, welcome back. Oh, there's 4 people in the 5 people viewing right now, so it'll be much appreciated if you can press the like button just to support the stream. If you like what I'm doing, yeah. All right, that's enough. All right, so anyway, where the hell am I looking at? God damn, go away, go away. Okay, wait. Oh no, dude. Oh no. Where did I leave that? Ah, I didn't. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, part of the work. Okay. All right. I forgot to save the. I forgot to save the. The fillet. So I need to do that all again. Do that all again. I will say that one, that one, that one. You know what? Let's not do this. For a simple reason that we don't want to mess with the sketch that is still being worked on. In the future, we may want to when we're finalizing things, we can start adding Philip then. But right now, if I add more face and stuff to reference, it's going to be painful to deal with later down the line. So what I'm doing now is just to make that groove there. Maybe not 1 mil, 0.6 would be good. Yeah, that would allow the dot here to come in, and that's all I'm gonna do there. We want to make a little groove on this one side too, huh? I think about it. Might be too late though. Win. Do a membership plan for. Do a membership. I will be glad to contribute monthly. Yeah. I'll get that done. No, but not seriously. The reason why I haven't done anything about membership and all of that because I am not too sure what I'm doing right now with the YouTube, the whole YouTube thing. So streaming and all of that is a thing that I'm doing for the hell of it rather than a long-term plan. So that's why I haven't set up the membership. But yeah, when I'm comfortable with it, I'll get it done, and I will make sure to advertise it across the universe, so that people have a chance to throw money at me when they can, if they want to. Oh my! All right, save this. So that is the state of things now, and hopefully the hope now is that thing gonna be enough to hold the dog in place, where with the 2 head sitting on it. So I assume the 2 head about 300 grams or so it's not that bad. It's not like 200 grams pressing on that edge alone. It's 300 grams and oh my. Okay, anyway, I am popping my way around right now. So let me just work on the next thing now, which is this thing, and it should show like that. Where's it gone? Where is it? Hello? Hello? Does anyone see the outer pillar of this thing anywhere? Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. I mean, get rid of that. All right, yeah. Good to know. Those two came in. This one is completely wonk. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, so let's fix this tandem plane. And for those who are wondering, the reason why we have these tandem plane at all is because of this specific problem here. Oh, Austin, streaming is easier than editing videos, other than needing contribution time available to stream, which is why I'm doing it. I like doing live stream. Yeah, that's true. Absolutely. Why is it popping out like several millimeter there? Hello. 1.75. Oh, right. Because currently it was set up to oh shoot, I need to fix that on the other one too. Yeah, I need to fix that on that other one too, so I need to go back there. Yeah, what I was saying, yes, the one thing that live stream does not work too well for me is honestly that, yeah, exactly that what you said, honestly, is that time that need to be carved out of my day to get it done. And right now the reason the problem with it is I have to do it after I came back from work on and it usually, and I always and for the past two stream at least, I always end the stream at a low point where I'm just hungry and tired. So yeah, that's kind of a bit of a problem. But another here and there, give me a sec. We need to fix this. Where the hell am I looking at? Why? Ooh, hello. This one got correctly set up. That's odd. Why did I do that? Wow. Anyway, yeah, that's done. Alright, now got that, close that. Let's go on the pop back in really quick. Yeah, there we go. Now fix this because we no longer need to do. Oh my god. Get rid of that. That one holds fine. Why are you still there? Hello, come. Oh, you don't need this either. Does that mean you work night shift? Oh no, I work in the day. No. So in the UK, this is in what 4 p.m. So this is around sometime. Well, a bit more. An hour from now is usually the time that I can start. I can only start streaming, but an hour from now, whenever it's in the weekdays, because that is when I'm off work. My normal 9 to 5. Why the hell is this thing not? Why are you stuck there? Hello? Oh yeah, because there's probably a point there. Yeah, right. Knew it. Collide. I would have no energy to make things if I did that. True. That's why I haven't set up anything else. And that's what. Oh yeah. And I think you know what I mean. That's why I'm not too sure about streaming as a thing that I want to do, and that's why I haven't set up anything for anyone to throw money at me. Oh, it's morning here right now near Portland, Oregon, USA. Oh wow, you really are halfway around the world from me. This one is a simple piece. All right, we need to cut a 3mm gap here as well. So grab that plane. Do some editing. Got that. Okay. Okay, it's the same thing I did before. Oh. Why is it so sensitive to the midpoint thingy? And we don't need to do define this line, just lock that one in and everything else works just fine. Reverse. 3, this one, 3, what was it before? 3.4, yeah. Oh, would that work? Would that work? Would that work? Oh, how did it snap? I might need to, yeah, 2.4, 2.7, that's too thin. I need to increase this length then. Dun dun dun. Did it increase? Where the hell it is a question. Yes. Hat. Right, that one. Right? 6. Make it. So we add one more for it. Yeah, no, let's just make it 8. Make it 8. Make it big. Because we find was first of all, we save some room with this one on the bottom, and 2, if I open the reference point there, reference sketch there, we still, oh, we may be a bit out. Okay, never mind. One sec, let me just measure that. That is the furthest edge of the two head. Any lower than that, and doesn't matter at all. If I can select it, that is. Come on. Yeah. So side to side, you can see it's slightly out by 0.2, but it's only 0.2. So I reckon tolerant would let everything sort itself out there. So, except if I make it the same thickness as the other one, that'd be cool, right? Better, would be better, because if when I print the ball on the same blade, it's so the other item is this guy. I think it's 7 point reset. I think this one is 7.6. Yeah, 7.6. Let's make the outer pillar 7.6 as well, so I can. So when we print that on the same bed, we doesn't have to have an extra layer just to get this one up and. Something on back 7.6. And 7.6 work. Oh, I got 7.8. Oh. 6. Cool. And just like that one, we will chamfer this edge for 1.6 mil. Cool. All right. All right. So in an actual print, job, it will go up and pass to the left and fill that in, right? We'll think out. We'll make the prototype tomorrow. No, once again, you guys are gonna see this on Monday, not tomorrow. But I'll make the prototype tomorrow, and I'll determine whether we should keep this mirror over here. No, should we keep the same piece and put it over here, or should we fill up this void so that on this side so that it doesn't look weird? So that is going to depend entirely on look. So I'll figure that out tomorrow. But that's that. That one can go. What's this now? I've been changed to his side. Oh yeah, this is I just removed the wings on these so that it doesn't poke out more than it needs to be. That was an easy one, don't need to deal with that. Now for the dog, 2 head front. Oh yeah, this is for the ultra high flow, so I'll just get rid of that. And rep 2. Same as rep 2, right? No, not rep 2. Yeah, just an ultra high flow one. Oh yeah, now let me just do that. We need to do the same thing I did with the standard front here. So we hide that, no matter. I turn this on. So Once again, it's not reference to. Yeah, that one wow, that one fine. Yeah, that's one two. Pocket mirror addendum. Yeah, good. Now I'm pretty sure this one is the one that is broken. Yeah. Uh, Dude, I'm not too sure. Wait, what's it? I wouldn't want to put a representative at on a spot on the channel. It's, if you know what I mean. Yeah, but yeah, just I think you can join their Discord or something and then have hash it out there. Don't want my chat to become a, like, what was it, a what's it called, support line for a company. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Reply. No worries. Once again, this the whole YouTube thing is still new for everyone here on this channel. Oh no, for this channel is pretty new for everyone, including myself. So we are just figure things out as we go along. Remove that. Put this back in. So we want it to go down there, right? So we grab. Wait, no, down there. Wrong one. Edge, that edge, and that edge. On this side, where that edge as well. Dun, dun. Collide. Oh, wait, no. Ah. Oh, come on. Cool. Okay. That should go straight now. Yeah, I think this setting there is correct. Oh, alright, this whole thing need to be deleted. Yeah, delete everything. Because it's so broken. Too broken. Alright, I'll grab that one and just that one. And just like before, I get rid of that. And just get rid of that as well, so that I can see. I'll grab these two edge. That one can go like that. Another one equal. That one can go. One can go. That one. Oh, that correct. Alright, that one is not equal. So now, yeah, there we go. Oh, you make FreeCAD look easy, Lo. I can barely make simple object. Trust me, it was not an easy job to get to where I am right now. Oh. Right, just so you know, just here a little story time here. It took like a month or so to get FreeCAD to design the original Voron, no, the original MissChanger V1 on FreeCAD, and I have to redo everything literally from the first get all the way to the end for like about 10-20 times or something, because it keep breaking on me, and that was before V1, which is what we're looking at right now. We got V0.9 something was not very stable when you're trying to do, well, anything with it. And even now, all those sketches are still broken. I can never go back and fix them. So at this point in time, if I do want to do anything, it would be one, I would rather load up the step file and then modifying them instead of drawing fixing the drawing, because they are so unstable. Mm. Oh, this one is not that broken. If I can delete all of this in the same time, that is. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so, alright, there we go. Nice. Done. Can I not select a different line? Yeah, no. Let's start. Yeah, let's actually grab that line there. Is this precut 1.0? Yes, it is. Precut is 1.0 is out, and actually it is 1.0.1, so it's 1.0 but with more fix. Alright, so I believe I need to start cutting off if it stops so that I can see now. Wait, where's that other sketch? There we go. Yeah, it's huh? Oh, right. I can't do that. I cannot do that. Alright, never mind. Can't do that. So I'll grab that one then. No, I want to grab that line. That line. That edge. No, we want to grab that edge. Nope, still not. Okay, well, just grab that. Yeah, just grab that. Yeah. Trying to be smart. Don't see any way to do it. Collide that. Collide that. That. Oop. Make that align. Make that align. Like so. Nice. Oh my. Why are you spinning in a different direction? Okay, yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. So now if we take that away, put it back. Yeah, there we go. There's a pocket. Now, I think the rest of them will fix itself, right? That one. Oh. That one is fine. So there's the pocket on it. That's one. Yeah, that's just the cutout for the fan. What's this? Why are you screaming at me? Oh, because it's lost the face. So let's grab that. Okay. And now it's chamfered. Yeah, no chamfered. And that's it. At least on that one. Alright, so I'm thinking make the holes on the bar end 10.3. Should I make a hole on the bar end 10.3? The reason why I did that. No, anyway, first let me scratch out some of the things that I had done first. So no spacer for the outer pillar. Yeah, we redesigned the inner pillar so that it will hit the pin instead of the spacer. So that's done. Locking pin interference. Yeah, that's good because I now removed the locking pin. Wider hole for the 10mm dock bar. I did just that just now. Make it 10.3. And here, last one is make the hole on the bar end 10.3mm. So put that away. Just right now, let me just check something really quick. Just unselect that to make sure that it doesn't look too weird. That one, yeah, make that one transparent. Make it look cooler. That one, yeah, that one stays. So now I'll deal with that in a bit. Uh, mm, Let me check on this one really quick. Uh, it looked fine, right? Wait, there's some fuss there. Let me just go check what that is. Yeah, you'll be surprised how POA can actually warp if you make it run a bit too fast as it is right now. So I hope that does not cause too much of a problem, because that is like what that is the support, so it doesn't really matter. It wonky. But I'm just hoping that it doesn't affect the dark blue filament, which is the thing that of all the piece there. All right, that's that. All right, turn that off. Come back to main screen now. Okay, okay. Sure. Uh-huh. Make the bar and all right. You know what? I just load it in, and then we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out whether we do it or not later. Why are you not popping? Wait, I meant to pop. There we go. I think I just broke something, but no. Let me just import the file, and then we'll kind of fix the stream later in a bit. Cat. No, don't grab the cat. Don't grab the cat. That would be a horrible idea. Project. Wait, no. I should already have it, right? Yeah. I should already have it. I should already have it. Bye bye. What I'm saying. Hello. Hello, free cat. Cat, you with me? Free cat is not having it. Let me save that. Restart free cat. Give it a sec. It's not a free cat, but this is a this is a OBS thingy. So I just need to restart free cat to get it back. All right, there we go. There we go. Now just open the file that we were working on. That is the, oh my god, I don't need all this. Actually, I'll keep them just in case. Just open the file. Okay, so the dock is the dock. There we go. Now we need to grab the bar end. Oh, so we'll make a clone of that, which is that, and the inverse of that would be bar end 2, but you won't be bothered. A second thought, and just give myself a time to have a second thought on any of this setting. And I do actually. I want to move this upward slightly, because on the bar end that I have right now, this one specifically broke this little interface here. So I want to move them closer to the hole and widen this gap a little bit. Yep. You're gonna head out. Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Thanks for joining in. And before you head out, make sure to like the stream if you can. If you not already. Yep. Do the YouTuber thing. Cool. All right. I take that back on cloning. I may have to suffer through the original cat, don't I? Oh, you did. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right, I take it back in. Oh, I broke it again. So, all right. So I'm gonna. All right, let me actually close that. Save. Save and close. Open FreeCAD again because I broke it again. Ugh. Now the reason is full screen. I need to make it full screen so that it doesn't refresh the OBS thingy when I swap to the file browser. Put that in there. Oh. Yeah, don't see anything. That's good because I need to go to the next. I need to go to the GitHub repo and grab my step file. Where is it? There we go. Voron A and B. We got A already. We'll put a B in. And put a B up into the reference because I don't want to edit these files. Yeah, that's A, that's B. Say hi. That's a clone of that. And wait, why did I want to do that again? God damn it. I just should I just mirror? Yeah. Right. We might be frying. Holder A. Copy that. Not bad. Oh, strain bug on FreeCAD here. You cannot Control C things. Control C and Control V things on this. I'm not sure why, so I'm not counting it as a bug. It's just something I noticed. Just a mod change maybe change. It's something good, but yeah, you know, better than nothing. All right, so fix the hole, widen this, fix that hole. Well, fix the bolt position, widen the hole. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Let's see, where is this in terms of direction? A bit far off. Yeah, that's probably because I was aligning it with something else. So we are going to extensively using what is it? Random plane here. And also, first and foremost, make that transparent so I can see where everything is. Ow. Freak, you know. Oh, oh, no one hear that. How do we cover this up in one go? Yeah, that's really. I make a random plane here. Hole changer 8, please. Okay. Okay, yep. Train of that. Modifying stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna do this all in one go. And by that I mean I should have gonna fill them in and then start cutting. Yeah, that's better idea. Yeah, that's better, but that's good idea. Don't want to start. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, we can work with that in a bit. Line there. I'm gonna add split this edge here. Just get tilted upward a little bit. So nothing. Come on. Why is that? Hello? Why on sound? Oh, that's that. And make that go there to cover up that. Oh my. Alright, I guess this. And I'm just gonna leave it there. Yeah, you find this randomly. Actually, that's fine too. 120. Oh no. This just me doing weird unnecessary work, but this I know it's done. Alright, now that in. Same down here. So from this point I'm just gonna run that, and that will fill up all of that. And that over there. So oh yeah, not doing that. Let's do that. Okay. Alright. Add a point here. Go up. Up like that. Pull this up. Dimension 130. And make sure that line is equal to that one. Once again, this last few steps is literally just me being a pedantic, but it look good. Close that. Extrude. Up the face. Yeah, like that. So now we clear out that bolt hole. So for step 1, and we're still on working with this random plane here. Let's bore out the whole piece hole. Boom. Grab that. Grab that. Let's check really quick. Oh, yeah, 10.1. 10.1. Yeah. We want to be 10.3 or 10.3, yeah. And we also want that red gap as well. So want that one in. Yeah, I'll grab that one. And no, this one is fine. This one is fine on its own. Okay. Now, ooh, my dimension mode. I mean, make a vertical. That is gonna not throw an error. Hello. That probably didn't work. Oh, that worked. Okay. Vertical. Oh, that actually not good. Yeah. No, that's not good. We want it to be in line like that, but not touching that point. And that was what I was expecting before, but I didn't want vertical. So we want this gap that was I mentioned that 0.775 before. I wanted I want that to be 1 mil. That mentioned. Give it more space to climb down to the tube rod. It could be a tube, but rod is easier to find. Anyway, dimension mode 10.1, 10.3. Now to make sure that it properly aligned them. How am I gonna align this? Yeah, no, actually, yeah, like that. Why does that work? Okay, yeah, because it's because it's horizontal. Yeah, stuff happened. And because I did that as well, I can grab that and make that equal, and all can just define beautifully. Cool. Same thing here. Go. Let's speed run this part. Oh no, actually, that was that like that. Apply. That one should equal to Up. Zoom down. That one. Let's go. That one. Need to get out of this. Equal to that, right? Am I selecting two of them? Ah, didn't. Wait, what? Alright, there we go. Alright, so it just I didn't get it to be I did not properly selected it. Should now. There we go. And that can be as long as you want, but let's give it a number. 15? Yeah. Give it some extra. Ooh, close. Now we're gonna cut it through. Alright, so we widen the hole and we widen the gap so that way it's going easier, but it have more room to clamp down to the rod. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, god damn it. There should be that one. Why is it that one? Did I make a mistake? I think I make a mistake, guys. The bar end shouldn't have that. Up and down. Oh, there, I found it. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I just waste like, what, several minutes of work. Oh. Benny, you idiot. Oh. I imported the wrong file. Let's see. Did I change anything on the old one? One sec. Need to hide that. Get rid of that. I still don't need holder B. Okay. Don't need holder B. But let me check. Technically, we don't really need nothing much change between the two, right? Right. Yeah, you can tell. Actually, you cannot tell because they mesh with each other so well. Other than the fact, okay. So if that hole there doesn't matter. That hole. We'll try that. Maybe. How much is that? I think that gap is 1 mil by its own. 5.1. Oh, the hole is 10.2. Okay, so in other words, and this is 1 mil. Do we keep it at 10.2? No, we should keep it at 10.2. Alright. Get rid of that. Oh my god. We weren't making the mistake. I just need to move this around so that I can get them both in the same thingy. Yeah, like that. Get rid of that. Reset. Cool. B 3.3.0. That was what it is. This one is V2. V 3.2. That's the one we're gonna edit, not the other one. I don't want to re-reference everything because that one is referenced everywhere now. I don't want to get rid of it, especially when the change is very minor between the critical thing between point 3 and point 2. With that said, one of the things that we pick out from point 2 here is 10.2 millimeter. But I will keep the clamp 10.3 let's print that out and see how that go first before we bother change it back to between 10.2 and 10.3. That's small number for one, and for two, unlike the bar end here, that the clamp here does not have to deal with the weight of 4 or 5 two heads, so it doesn't really matter. And it does not have much of the problem handling. No, there's not much torque acting on it, so it may get away with a slightly larger hole. Anyway, let's repeat the work that I have just done. Hold the A. At least I now have a version number, so I can just copy that version number and make it 3 point. Oh my. Pass. Oops, no, okay. Hello. Let me just grab that. No, okay. Interesting. Got that. Copy. Pass that. 3. Get rid of the body bit. Alright, move on from that. Now, alright, let's do this again. Oh, the salt. Alright, so I do grab back offline, put it up there. Yeah. Okay. Cancel. Okay. Cancel then. I don't know what's going on there, but oh right, it's still showing that one. Grab that. Plane. Okay. Put that away. And now draw on it. I'll grab that edge, and that edge. So draw. Go to this side. You can just do that, and that's done. I want to go like so. Get first of all, no, that one need to, and that one need to collide. Just gonna break this up a little bit. Let's do the one there. Now we can move that one up. Cover that hole there. Yeah, put this one as 3.5 just because, and that one, and cancel. There we go. 150. Yep. Just about everything is fully defined. Alright, so. Just into doing. Alright, just picking up the blue head. Close, extrude, up to face, Now we are punching a new hole on this. On that plane, yeah. So put a random plane there, like that. Because I hate the yellow look. And we select that edge. Yeah, let's select that edge. Just need that. Alright, so I'll make this dimension a 3 mil. And that can go tangent. Oh, that's 3.1. 3.1? Yeah, that's 3.2. No, wait, 3.4. Sorry, 3.4. Because we want at least one line between around that corner when it print that bit. So 3.4, and to make it center, Let me just grab that to construction line. I don't know what turned on there. Why are you over constrained? Make this to equal first. Okay, that's good. Close that. Punch. Oh no. We are punching it through. Yeah, we're gonna punch it through first. 3.4. Yeah, that's a sign of the bolt as well. That's good. Cool. Oh wait, maybe not 3.4 then. Maybe add 2.4 more. I can't do that. All right. So we don't want that to tangent, because we want a distance between that and that. So I don't need this and I don't need this, because that one is already symmetry. Make that vertical, pass to the center of that hole, and make that 0.4. 0.8 is fine. I want 2 lines through that, so that little edge, when it reached that during the print, it does not come out too badly. All right, there we go. So now we got holes that we can reference save first. Let me check on the print really quick with my real eyes instead of through the preview window. Yeah, the what is it? This white tower look a little scuffed, not gonna lie, and the support is curving upward. That's new for POA, but yeah, let's hope things go well. Not like this is the last bit of filament I got for in this color anyway. Oh god, I got like 1.5 try on this color. If not, then my tray will turn out to be a yellow. Whatever. Good moment. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, I was doing something for a second there. That one is the hit set insert. So it should be. Let me grab the back. Not that one. That one. Okay. M3 by 5 by 4. So the hole need to be 4.5 millimeters wide. So 4.5. Don't burn enter, and the depth needs to be 5 something, right? Minimum 5. So I will assume it. Oh my, god damn it! I said not enter. I said 5. Then I'll put it 5.5. Yeah, 5.4. Oh no, 5.4. Then maybe 5.4. Yeah, it look good. I'll put 5.4. Yeah, looking good. And on this end, say that first, so that nothing broke. It will be. It's gonna be another hole. This time it's a standard M3, so I don't need to do much clearance. Yeah, we don't put a thread in. That's good. And the reason why I select that specifically because I want to count the board. I said I want to count the board. Where is it? There we go. There we go. And because there is already some tolerance built into the size of this block itself, I don't need to add any more to this. But that is all good. Save that. Like so. So that looking good now. Anything else I wanna fix before I move on? I'm trying to think. Thinking. Maybe no. Maybe not. I mean, I do want to make a little chamfer on the bottom, I suppose. Do I want to chamfer this? I mean, I can chamfer it. Yeah, I chamfered the face. Oops. Why did I not chamfer it before? That's the middle one problem. Maybe it was for consistency. Maybe for this so I can easily carve it out. Yeah, I'm not doing the chamfer there now for now. I don't know why, but I won't do it now. Okay, so that's that. So this time one stay 10.2. The dock there state is 10 point. Is that dock? Where did the dock gone? Where is that dock gone? Sorry. So that is that one. Alright, so we'll make a clone of this and make it V2. Save it in. Ow, I just cracked my neck. Now work the part design. Oh wait, no, create a clone of this part. Yeah, make a clone. Okay. Order a clone. Order. Yeah. A underscore B 3.3 underscore clone. Don't need to do this, but cannot feel right without doing it. And I'm gonna make this thing a mirror via the workbench. This one. How the hell do I mirror this now? I swear to God I did it before. Mirror. Pop. Mirror. Mirroring. Yay! Yeah. There we go. Order at the bottom. Oh. That one. Yeah. Okay. Mirror. There we go. So, let's get rid of everything up to that point. Make that a B. And there we go. That's my holder A and B. Oh wait, no, wrong mirror. Wrong mirror. How do I select the mirror? Face. Source. Yeah. Placement. No. Face. Normal. Oh, there we go. Can I just not get? No, I'm not. Let's not bother with that. Let's just get rid of that. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Do that again. Because now I know for a fact how to do this. Mirror in the Y direction. Oh, wait, mirror and plane. Yeah, there we go. Actually, plane on top. So I reckon this is the XZ, YZ, XZ. Yeah, let's go for XZ for now. Yeah, let's just move this over here really quick so I can see what I'm looking at. YZ. It's YZ. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, and I immediately know why I didn't want to do it before. But that's that. Okay. There we go. And now to correct that with that C. Make it a B. And because it's a clone, it will follow the other one perfectly. All right. Bum 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 bum. All right. That should be it. Right. Let's start on the chamfering. Yeah, I want to chamfer that now. Okay. I need to still need to chamfer that one sec. So I grab that. Yeah, I got hold. Cool. And for the power design, make a quick chamfer there. 0.6 maybe. 6. Oh, why is that looking weird? 0.4 for 1. First of all, 1 make it 0.4. Yeah. But for 2, why is there a something just pop up there? I don't know what it was. Transparent. Yeah, there's something there. So, all right. Oh, there it is. Interesting. Like that. Yeah. Maybe I don't want to. I may not want to clone anything, huh? Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't. Let's not do that. All right. So delete both of these. And just mirror that. Yeah. Mirroring. Why is it playing? Okay. Gotta be. That's gonna look a little bit strange. Oh well. That looks cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's what I did before, and I guess I gotta do it now. Anything else I would like to do with this? We make that little chamfer, right? Yeah, we did. We did. Okay. What's important? Say that. Speaking of which, let me check that. All right, need to use the bathroom really quick. BRB. You guys go make sure that the print ink not broken. All right. Oh, welcome back, sideboard, folks. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wait. Why are you guys watching that? Let me just check something really quick on my end. And this has nothing to do with the stream, but I need to do something. Dun, dun, dun. No. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Oh, cracking my neck. What time is it? Oh wow, almost time to finish. Man, I want to show, I'll wait until the print got into the flat plane. But eh, we go until we after. Oh, yep. Andrew, I will keep that in mind. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna write that down. Actually. Okay, okay. Yeah, keep that in mind. Cool. Alright. Nice enough. Let's get on to this. So we got that one out of the way. Over there. So I think we can now go back with this thing here. Right. This is what we were doing before got on the little tangent with the fixing the dock. This was actually the dilemma that I end up casting away and I was pushing aside yesterday. So this thing here, this is the one of the piece from the original Voron piece. Now the original Voron X-Country mount for the two head, and I want to take this profile and put it in there. So far I got to this point where I cut out that little bit, but cut away for the two head side mount to be in there, but ran into the problem, and that is this piece at the back is printed on the side, this side here. So I think I'm going to have to make a I think I'm going to have to make the a cutout for this yellow piece here. I'm going to make a separate piece that I can bolt on to the back piece here. So if all go well, the stealth burner will still work just fine. Anything that can go on to a no, anything that can accept the Voron-Tap mount will work on this turn one. So, well, no, actually, well, the stealth burner and the 824 both work. 840, both those work. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, because actually if I can show you, move that away, put this on. Yeah. So you see here, if I to put that one away, that one away. Yeah. And maybe why is that doing there? That one. Yeah. So this is the mount for the MissChanger. This piece is attached. This yellow piece, orange, is gonna be attached to the two head, no, to the gantry, and the other one is the one to attach to the two head. And as long as I make sure that the mating pattern between these two is the same, so like these hole at the bottom stay the same, I can mount whatever to one side or the other. As long as I don't mess that up. Yeah, so that's the idea. Of course, I think everyone got it, and I don't want to ramble too much, so I'm keep moving on now. All right, so back to this. So what I have to say, I think I'm gonna just make a clear cut through all of this. So instead of having two of these being cut like that, I am going to make this cut through all of this. Cut it all out. Yep. So pocket. So I'm gonna edit that pocket through all in symmetrical plane. Yep. So like that. And this hole actually doesn't matter because that mount is actually on the two head side plate instead. So I can get rid of that in fact. And I'm trying to figure out what to do with this little ledge here now. Because once again, this piece gonna print from this face. This is the face that contact the bed. So maybe I get rid of this as well, just in case. What is going on over here, in fact? Why do we even need this? So what is the distance? Alright, just supposed to lock that in for now. Save that. So I want to know the distance between that and that. That is 2 mil. 2.7. Oh, okay. Might need to use a button head bolt instead of a normal socket head for this. Because socket head is 3 mil. Yeah, socket head is 3 mil. 3 mil. So I need to move that down. So we need to make that a socket head instead of a button head. Okay. Wait, do we though? We can use those bolt pattern to... What are these for again? Let me just put that reference back on. Order A, order B, get rid of those two. Get rid of that. I need to figure out why these guys light up like a butt. Like that. What's this thing here? Why is this sort of? Order body. Oh, shadow screen. Why? Oh wait, no. Let's just get rid of that. Don't need that. Oh right there we go. These are the things that is need to be on and off, not these two. Okay, got it. There we go. So these are the ones that connected to the carriage, the linear rail carriage at the back. Right. So in other words, I can mess with these. Oh, I'm not sure. Wait. I'm not too sure about. I know this is just a path for the belt, but does it need to be this tall? I'm trying to think of a reason why it shouldn't be, but I honestly cannot think of one. So maybe instead of... So if I cut out, so in other words, if I go back there, get rid of that, got that on. So if I can just cut it all out, make it as flat as possible. Yeah. If I can cut it all out, and then I have my modifier attached on top with around the same height, That would be a better a best a good, the best solution, isn't it? Yeah, because a modifier can be in a different it can be printed in a different orientation too. So instead of just cutting that out, I reckon, where is the clone piece? There we go. Yeah, I can just move this all the way here, right? So just that. I don't know. I started deleting things. Hopefully, it'll reach the point where, yeah, there we go. We can do that. And connect those two. Not the line. What's that shouting? Alright, just cleaning the two head. No worries about it. It's clean after it's heat up. That's good to know. Make that dimension 35. 25. There we go. There we go. Close that. And to further repair this for the modifier piece, let's bring these two face up. Oh wait, not three face up. Do that. Extrude that. Cannot use selected body. Oh yeah, yeah. It's not. Need to enable the no to select the to start modifying that body first before we well, we need to select or modify the body before we modified it. So I can get that up to face. That face is good. Yep. So now we have a flat piece. Nice. Okay. Do we need a chamfer here? Oh, right now, once again, no. We don't want to chamfer anything yet. Just in case. We need to fix something. Oh, wait, no, wait. Nothing about it. If we use these two to block the modifier down, then we don't need to create some extra bit here to bolt it down. Nice. Totally intentional there. Yeah, totally not a happy coincidence. Nice. And that makes things easy on the other side too, because I can then use the same tactics, just cut it off and then build a third piece or to lay it on top like that. Okay, that's good. What? Damn it, the webcam just flashed again. Whoa, what's going on? I'll figure that out tomorrow. Why not tomorrow? Yeah, actually, I do figure that out tomorrow. I'll like so. Alright, let's hide that away now because I think that's it. I will grab the right carriage now. Actually, let me just right. Yeah, don't like a naming scheme like that. Left. Right. Yeah. Make it the same line. Or yeah, look at the big R here so I can see what's going on. Put that at the bottom. Can I do that? No. Put that at the bottom. No. Okay. Never mind. That's the right mod. That's the. So we're going to grab that now. Do clone, right? Yeah, we just clone. Now we can copy that name for consistency. Paste it there. Oh, Control V and Control C doesn't. Or Control C and Control V doesn't work there. That's why I have to use the mouse. Unfortunately. I can just, yeah, actually, let's reference that one. Yeah, let's reference the right one instead of referencing the good old what is it called? Uh, oh my god, right? It's 3 hours in. My brain start melting. So you just have to deal with this right now. By this I mean me. Yeah. Myself. Good. Okay, and I can just run that plane. There. Yeah, we're gonna make a sketch there. Don't need to be a collect at all. Just grab that and lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in there. Lock that one in as well. Yeah. Then extrude it up to the face. Like that. No, not that. I don't have to bind that behind the. There you go. And extrude it up to that face. Yeah. So now they're both the same. Okay. And of course, just like that other one, fill up these two. Extrude up to face. That one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, I need to. Oh yeah, need to fill in that one too. That was for the twisty bit that the hook thingy for the two head. Oh no, for the hot end I mean. But we don't need that no more. So I reckon I go back there. Okay, I can't. It's annoying. So we have that. Extension. X. Very. Rich. Mod. Mod. Okay. Yeah, put those two in there so that it's all in one place. I'm gonna need to do all that for the dock and the holder as well in a bit, at some point. For now, hide that way, put that back on. Put that padding. This is the annoying bit for FreeCAD, to be honest, because you have to select the additional face to throw in. You need to press that button and add it. And I hope that it worked, which it did. So you need to clear that. Where are me? Okay. You need to pop that online first. Yeah, so show that. Go to there now. Modifying that. Period. Yeah, this extra step is something that's just clunky, to be honest. Really clunky from FreeCAD. Just clear it again, just to make sure that I got it correctly. Okay. So now I can open it then, and it didn't work. Oh wait, no, it worked now. All right, there we go. And it will break the other one, I think, because we had removed two faces. Right? There'll be a happy surprise if it didn't. It didn't. Give myself a pat in the back because I got something right. That up to face. Which face was it? Alright, just checking. All good. Okay, we pocket that out. That thing, same thing here. The profile, modifying that. Clear it. That, and that. Okay. And give it a moment. And we go on. All right. Let's hope my hypothesis works. Oh yeah, and definitely one thing I definitely need to remember to do is make sure the original hole at the bottom here is correctly sized, because I still want to keep the compatibility with the original induct no what is it called, proximity sensor. Why does this look strange here? Yeah, oh yeah, I think because I referenced it in both. Oh yeah, yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, so now that these two are done, I need to add, as I said, a new body. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not planning to do anything new. I don't know what happened there. Just been. Alright, I'm sorry, sorry, sorry. MC attachment to a rail side attachment. MC rail side. MC rail side. Rail side. Dash. Look at dash. Yep, the S needs to capitalize. Alright, so my third of those three. I need to grab from reference 2 here the body 14, that is the rail side. Yeah, really should have body 14. So let's sub there we go. And then the two carriage that I just made. There we go. So, oh wow, this is a mess. So, where do we start? Put them away first. Put that on. What am I looking at? Wait, did I make this and that? I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that, but oh whatever. I did. I made it that face and that face. So by design, did I? Oh god, let's put this away for now. One sec. Just check that from here. Put that on. Oh no, not that on. Not that on. Oh no, I made that face, that face. Okay. So I definitely need to carve out this hole for the sensor. Yeah. Yeah. Put that back on, put that away. Oh, alright, I can go. Okay. Oh, I got a little thingy here. Oh my god, I'm getting tired. No, we're creating a new body that from there to there that have this feature in it. Where do we start? We should start from, no, we cannot start from the bottom because that face is where the other the whole of the bottom here come through, I think. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. God damn it. Yeah, so let's extrude a bottom first, and then we cut. Yeah, let's take it from the bottom here, extrude it out, and then we start cutting things up. Okay. So let's do it from there. Turn that face away. Turn that okay. Turn that face away. draw something. Yeah. Oh my god, what am I staring at? Okay, yeah. Because I saw some, yeah, like that. Okay, that's good, that's good. No, I want that. Uh, I want that, 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 that. Oh, and that as well. Yeah. Yeah, those three need to stay. I don't need this in, I suppose. Yeah. And oh yeah, I need that one as well. That is where they need to start. No, we're not looking out. Okay. Okay, let me just put the rail side in for a sec. Put this back on. No, not that. Put it just simply two back on. All right, there's something. Yeah, we can't. We have to. Yeah, from the very beginning. Let's carve this out later. Yeah, let's just draw a giant blob of things that we can start carving it out. Yep. Don't get ahead of ourselves. We'll get rid of that one. Don't need it. How deep is determined by that face there. Yeah. Oh, like so. Okay. Let's have deepen its skull. So we alright, grab a tool. Start drawing. Like that. Do we need to keep this little angle? No, we don't. We do not. So actually, let's do that again. Let's do that again. So we're gonna run that there. Not in the middle. No. Okay. Oh, this thing is laying on the side right now. Yeah. All right, there we go. Yeah, something to start with. Not too real to put that there like that. Why was it at that face? Oh, right, there we go. It was at that specific depth because of that face there. So don't rather than referencing a piece that is currently still in flux, that is the modified X carriage. I reckon I grabbed that from our reference item, like that one. So this thing can stay solid. This thing could be vertical. Oh no, horizontal. Because this thing is currently laying on the side right now. It's supposed to look like this now. Close that. You can tell that the software starts to struggle with these items in it. But that is neither here or there. So we can now extrude it. Sorry. Up to here. Oh, no, up to face. Like that. Alright. Ooh, my god. Okay. Do we want this little thing? Oh, do we want this? Oh yeah, we do. We definitely do want that. Because that going to interact with this hole here. That's how this mechanism is going to get attached to the thing. So I want to go past that point. I do wonder if I can show how much is going to go past that point is something I need to figure out now. Because these are the hook for the we don't use this. Oh wait, no. What am I up to? So we want to go up here at least, I suppose. Yeah, let's go there. Yeah. We just end the stream soon. I'm rambling down. But yeah, but anyway, that's the one. So like that. Save. So now, oh, before we even forget it, let's start carving because we're working on the same plane for now. So right now I want to start carving this up to the right shape, or at least as far as I can from this plane. So I'll grab that, and here I will grab that edge, that edge, that edge, and that edge. Yeah, that edge. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So, oh wait, no, we got that off this item here. Ooh, item like that. We don't have a choice on it. Yeah, that too gonna break. If we change stuff down here, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Can't help it. Go all the way up here. Go up, up, up. Yeah, and there is an extra over-defined piece somewhere. Wait, what happened there? Something off. I don't need this. Why is this that whole line here? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I got it. Because I select this line instead of that edge, which I need to hide this so that I can see it. There we go. Yep. All right, back to the sketch. Ooh, my. This can go. Go down there. There. You're gonna arrow again, yeah. Then give it a minute. Fix that. It's cutting. Close it. Cut it up. Cut that up to select dimension. Up to face. Up to face. Okay. That one. Yeah. Red. Is it? I think so. I believe this hole is just for the wire, so I don't need to be too worried about it. Question mark? But for now, let's just keep it at that. Oh, wait. Let's turn back all the thing back on actually for a sec. Let's do the assembly back on. Let's get the back assembly. Hide these two. So I need that right now. Okay, and I also need to hide these two. This hide it as well. So the hole I just cut is for the sensor to come in. The sensor to be mounted to the X carriage. But we need to make some concession for the top as well, don't we? Yeah. So we definitely need to clear out this space so that this leg. So actually, let's make this transparent. Yeah. So yeah. So the green is the thing that we're working on, and this gray one. No, the clear is the one that we're working on. The clear one is the gray one is the thing that we're trying to make space for. So yeah, you can tell that there's some meat here that need to be taken out for one on both sides. So we'll deal with that in a bit. And then we also need to make space there on that side as well. So there's 4 pockets that need to be cut out for this piece to come in. Ooh. So what would be the best way to do so? What's the next question? I reckon like that, like that. Put that back on. Yeah. But put that back on. Yep. Yeah. Cool. Grab that. Make a random plane. That's the next plane to work out. Where to work with. Ooh, I'm slightly skeptical of the physical integrity of this thing now. Wait. Put that one of these back on. Oh wait, no, that's fine. The hole is right there. So, we need. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, I'm just pondering. I'm pondering the meaning of light of that, so it should be fine. All right, so start drawing, cut it out. Try this piece because I want to cut that. We already cut out this, right? We already cut that out, right? Have we? No, close that. Oh my god. Yeah, we haven't done it. So do we cut it all the way up? No, we don't need to do that. We just need, because I'm trying to save as much material as possible on this. You can tell that the mounting hole for it is right up, is up there, so the bottom bit is not very well secure. So I might have to put I might have to find some space to put a bolt through and add some heat set insert in here, credit insert in here. Do this around this area to hold this leg down. Oh. What time is it? 3.5 hours. Let's make it 4. Yeah, let's go to 4 and stop. All right, I am going to add the two head side really quick, just so that I have some room for pondering. And with that, I realize I do need to make this deeper. Okay. Like that. I'm gonna delete it. I'm not gonna reference it in any way because I don't want to. But what that teach me just now is that I need to make this deeper. I'll close that. Not the sketch, the pocket. Select face if I can. So I'm just gonna hide the piece. Hide the piece. Yeah, hide the piece. The face, select face. And come on. How we do this? Let's get behind it. So, oh, come on. All right. First, select that, but how do we select that face? I want it to go up here. Okay, I will select face, but I will view by no, not select face, up to shape, yeah. And view drawing style, then make a frame there, select shape. Does that work? Oh my god. Okay, let's work again. Cancel. That's annoying. Yeah, because it's all embedded in there right now, so I can't just do it. Okay. All right, you know what? Actually, let's just grab a distance between that and that. Oh, I don't need to do any fancy. Reset that because I can just cut rather than trying to cut it up to the face, which I cannot select. I can just give it a distance of 32. And so that please. Yeah, up there. All right, that is the clearing for the inner bit of the two head side. Now I need to clear out the this groove for for the pin holder. Oh, did it just make the cross over there? All right, check go check the print. One sec. It does not look too good. You know how I said about the PLA curving upward? Yeah. So if you can see a little I'll just go to that window really quick. I can show you there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. All right, so there we go. That there, and that there, and that there, and that there. That look little discolor because the layer was little distorted due to the POA actually peeling upwards slightly, warping inside. Um, not horribly. Not. It's not horribly bad, but I would much rather it not doing that, and hopefully the preceding layer can actually remedy for that. Knock on wood on that one, because if it doesn't, the PATG gonna get all clogged up onto the nozzle, of which you can see already happening there. Um, yeah, I, yeah, because the I have enabled mid print clean, so I'm not too horribly worried about PATG buildup on the nozzle. But yeah, it's a bit of concerning because if the PEG build up on a nozzle, it may deposit itself somewhere on the print and make a little horrible scar. But hey, so far so good still. So I'll leave it at that. Nice. Alright. But back to the main scene. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Now, where were I? Where was I? Yes. We were playing with this sketch here. So we hide that so that we can grab the base feature. Oh, I said that, but all right, that's right, fine. So we want to grab. Oh no, we want to import that edge, and that's it. Yeah, there. Make it straight. Make it up. Now I can go straight. And put a dimension on that. Make it 15. Yeah. We'll give it an extra basically. And extrude it all the way up to face. Wait, why do I just do that one? Hello? Cancel. I want to do it on both sides. So that one too. So hide that again. that one. Done. I think I misselect something there. Vertical, but yeah. So we don't have to define the distance again, but no way, so it will work out. Or just a little visual bug. That one. And now binding. So now we put it up to face. That face. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so far so good. So far so good. Hide that really quick. Yeah, so far so good. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah, I have to use that one and some hole, a hole down here somewhere. So we can't just reuse all the hole that is available. Oh wait, we can. Yes, we can. What I'm saying. There's a hole down here. There's a hole down here for the original threaded insert for the M3 by 50. Oh wait, yeah. Great. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, okay. Put that away. Okay. Yeah, let's work on that again. Adding. Not that. No, not that. Oh, the downside with this is that I have to do this profile thingy. Clear for one. I want to see first. Can I see it, please? Okay. Oh my god. Profile. Yeah. Clear. Grab that, but not that. Okay. Okay. And yep. Wait, what's that? Why something broke? What did it broke? Oh. Oh right, because I accidentally dragged that outside. I think. Oh wait, no, I didn't. It's just wait, I did. Never mind. Ah, I don't get it. What the heck? Why? Wait, sorry. Without one window. Without a window. This is control shift C. Go back up. Why did this? What pocket is this? Hello? Okay. Ah. Yep. So we got to add plane. Sketch something. Oh. And so because apparently oh cancel. All right, I broke something. Yeah. Ah, I need to redo it all. Darn it. All right, we do this and we do what to the other one and then we stop. Clearly I'm sorry, making a mistake now, so yeah. Dual symmetrical. Okay, save that just to make sure. 2.3 2.35 times 2, wow, 2.37.2 at 4.7, so that's slightly bigger than the what I would normally do for my credit insert, but that's okay. Not going to question perfection. Up to face. Okay. And that need to go a little deeper. That's 2.7. That's too shallow. 5 point what? 5 point no 5.4. Okay. No, minimum 5. Make it 5.4. Yeah. So 5.4 to minus 7 2.7. 5.4 minus 2.7. I have a feeling I just double it. Yeah. Okay, 2.7 more. Close. Reset. Close. Extrude. 2.7. 2.7. So that's that. So yeah, that's gonna be the mounting point for the bottom bit of the attachment. I'm just doing it here as well. Up to face, yeah. Select face. Okay. Wait. Did I just do that? Yeah. Wait, I think I just realized that I don't need to import oh. Yeah, no. If I need to build something off that surface, I need to bind it. That's for sure. But I don't need to select a face if I don't need to import an object, a body, if I just need to grab a face like that. Ah, okay. Good to know. Yeah, let's just get rid of that because I really do not want to go through the editing bit of this. So I'm just gonna redo it. Up to face. Okay, grab it there. So, okay, now dig that down for 2.7. 7. There we are. Oh, did something just snap? No, it didn't. Fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, get a bit paranoid for a sec. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of me yapping for today. That and that. Leave that for now. Put that on. Yeah, we'll leave that on for we leave this where it is for now. Obviously, we did more than just this much today. I will for next stream we will is that wanna be a prototyping stream. Hopefully, we can have enough time to print out all this newly modified the piece on top there, and we can see how things are going then. For everyone who was watching, thank you for watching. If you haven't done it, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all Monday, maybe not tomorrow, that's for sure. Tomorrow is my break day, so I'll see you all later. Cheers.